Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel TNV Academy. I'm your host Akanksha Mishra. So let's start with today's session. Imagine a world where every road leads to opportunity, every bridge connects dreams, every industry runs sustainably, and every innovation opens doors to a better life. This is not a fantasy. It is the vision behind SDG Goal 9. Industry, innovation, and infrastructure. In this journey, we will uncover how nations grow, how economies thrive, how technology transforms lives, and why SDG 9 is the backbone of progress. Welcome to the story of how we build the future. First of all, understanding SDG 9. What exactly is SDG 9? SDG 9 focuses on three powerful pillars: resilient infrastructure, sustainable industrialization, and innovation. Together, these elements decide how strong a nation becomes. Infrastructure connects people and markets. Industries create jobs and value, and innovation propels societies forward. Without these three, no country can compete in a globalized world. Now, why SDG 9 matters for every country? Take a moment to look around you. The road you travel, the electricity in your home, the mobile network you rely on, and the technology you use every day. All of these exist because of industry, innovation, and infrastructure. SDG 9 ensures that these systems grow fairly, sustainably, and inclusively so that development becomes a right for all, not a privilege for a few. The three pillars explained. The first pillar, infrastructure, includes everything from highways and airports to digital networks and smart grids. The second pillar, industry, turns raw materials into products, generates employment, and fuels economies. The third pillar, innovation, includes new ideas, research, technologies, and breakthroughs that help societies evolve. When these three pillars are strong, development accelerates. When these three pillars are strong, development accelerates. Now, SDG 9 targets explained with real stories. Target 1. Build resilient infrastructure. This target pushes nations to create infrastructure that can survive natural disasters, climate change, and population growth. Japan's earthquake-resistant buildings show how innovation saves lives. In contrast, many regions still struggle with collapsed roads during floods, cutting off essential services. Target 2. Promote inclusive, sustainable industrialization. Industrialization must benefit everyone, not just large corporations. Countries like Vietnam have become manufacturing powerhouses through strategic, inclusive industrial policies. But the future demands cleaner, greener, low-carbon industries that respect the planet. Now, Target 3. Increase access for small industries. Small and medium enterprises form the backbone of most economies. However, they face financial constraints, limited digital access, and bureaucratic hurdles. SDG 9 calls for easier loans, better training, and technological support for these businesses so they can thrive. Now, Target 4. Upgrade and retrofit industries. This target focuses on transforming outdated factories into energy-efficient, low-emission, and technology-enabled workplaces. Europe has led the way by adopting circular economy models that reduce waste and maximize resource efficiency. Target 5. Boost research and innovation. R&D investment is the fuel of innovation. High-income countries invest heavily in research, while low-income regions struggle. SDG 9 urges nations to build labs, support researchers, and create ecosystems where new ideas can transform society. Now we have the next target: support developing countries. This target emphasizes global cooperation. Developed nations must help developing ones through funding, technology transfer, and capacity building programs to modernize industries and infrastructure. Next target: support domestic technology development. Nations must encourage homegrown technology and innovation so that solutions fit local needs. Countries that invest in digital ecosystems, startups, and tech parks will thrive in the future. Now, next target, expand internet access for all. Access to reliable, affordable internet is now a basic necessity. It fuels education, healthcare, governance, business, and communication. SDG 9 also demands universal digital connectivity so that no one is left behind in the digital age. Now let's have a look on the future of SDG 9. Smart, digital, and connected infrastructure. The future belongs to smart cities, intelligent roads, sensor-enabled bridges, AI-driven grids, and interconnected transport systems. These advancements will improve safety, reduce waste, and enhance efficiency. The fourth industrial revolution, Industry 4.0. This revolution brings together AI, robotics, 3D printing, the Internet of Things, big data, and automation. Industries will become more efficient, sustainable, and innovative. Nations that embrace Industry 4.0 will lead the global economy. Now, the rise of sustainable and green industries. Carbon-neutral factories, renewable energy-powered production, and eco-friendly materials, waste-reducing manufacturing are the future. SDG 9 promotes growth without harming the planet. Now, empowering small businesses through digital tools. With e-commerce platforms and digital payment systems, even rural entrepreneurs can reach global markets. Digital infrastructure will lift millions out of poverty by enabling modern business opportunities. Now we have innovation ecosystems and technology hubs. Countries are now building innovation zones, startup incubators, technology parks, and research cities. These hubs bring together scientists, engineers, students, and entrepreneurs to create groundbreaking solutions. Now, what governments must do? Invest aggressively in infrastructure development. Governments must upgrade transport systems, energy networks, and digital connectivity to support sustainable development. Adopt Industry 4.0 policies. Policies must support automation, digitalization, clean energy, and modern manufacturing technologies. Support SMEs and local entrepreneurs. Governments should reduce bureaucratic hurdles, provide easy credit, and offer technical training to small businesses. Boost national R&D investment. Research must be funded, protected, and encouraged to ensure long-term innovation. Promote public-private partnerships. Governments and companies must collaborate to build large-scale infrastructure and innovation programs. Now, what individuals can do? Learn technology skills. People should learn coding, AI, data science, design thinking, and robotics to remain relevant. Support local producers and small businesses. By choosing local products, individuals help strengthen domestic industry. Promote sustainability in daily choices. Supporting eco-friendly brands, reducing waste, and choosing green products help reduce industrial pollution. Spread awareness about SDG 9. Talking about this goal in schools, colleges, workplaces, and social media helps build a culture of innovation and responsibility. SDG 9 is the blueprint that will define humanity's future. Strong infrastructure builds opportunity. Sustainable industries power economies. Innovation unlocks solutions to global challenges. If we want a world that is connected, resilient, and full of possibilities, SDG 9 is the foundation we must strengthen. The future is not something we wait for. It is something we build. And the time to build it is now. Thanks for watching this detailed session on Sustainable Development Goal 9. That is all about today's session, and I, Akanksha Mishra, will see you in the next episode of TNV Academy. Until then, like, share, and subscribe TNV Academy for more such informative videos.